Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can create 60 Instagram reels in just an hour. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the best strategy to grow on Instagram is to keep posting reels regularly, as those get a lot of views. So for this video purpose, we'll be using two AI tools. So first one is the chat GPT. Now for this video example, I'm taking a Instagram gaming page over here. So I've already typed in top mobile MOBA games, as you can see, and it has populated all this list over here. Now you simply have to copy this list and you need to create an account on Flicky AI. I will leave a link in the description where you will be getting free credits once you sign up on Flicky AI, and I also have some packages which we'll talk about in the later section of the video. Now I have already copy pasted this. Now you can select AI voices over here. So as you can see, I have already selected James over here, and in the video settings, in the size, you will need to select portrait. This for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. So this will create high quality reels for you. So I have simply copy pasted this and put in James, and now I will play the video for you as to how it looks.
The top 3 MOBA multiplayer online battle arena games on mobile were Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, developed and published by Moontun. Mobile Legends.
Now as you can see, the audio quality is pretty good, and you can also change your image or video over here. You can check the stock free library on Google, or if you don't have it, then you can put in your own image, and then you simply have to go ahead and click on export, and you simply go ahead and download, and you can make like 60 videos in just an hour using this method, and just keep uploading on Instagram, and one of your video will go viral, and that will get you a lot of Instagram followers. So it is this simple. And if we talk about the Flicky plans over here, if I go to my account and if we click on subscribe, so they have this basic, standard and premium. So the basic package starts with $6 a month, which is like 120 minutes of audio content per month. So if we even consider like 1 minute reel, then it would be like you can make 120 reels per month. And if you go for the premium one, you can make around 600. So friends, it is this simple to make Instagram reels and grow on Instagram very quickly. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.